Hey y'all, so I'm back from the thing I had earlier, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a run demo of this Fantom Thunder. So yeah, anyways, here we go. So I know it obviously doesn't sound... Oh. I just realized I was covering the microphone. Whoops. So obviously it doesn't sound the greatest. But, you know, not bad. For a 30-year-old vacuum. As of July, I think. Yeah, I think I did that math right. So, well, June or July. But, yeah. So I need to figure out what's causing the motor to run kind of rough. But, yeah. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.